In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a password-protected site in Squarespace. Sharing your website while keeping it secure with a password is a valuable skill, particularly if you want to control access to your content. Let's dive in and learn how to manage this through Squarespace's settings. To start, navigate to the home page of your Squarespace account. Here, you will see several options that allow you to customize and manage your website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface, as it is the hub for handling everything related to your site. Next, click on the Settings tab. This will open a menu with various settings to control different aspects of your site. From here, locate and select the Site Availability option. It's in this section that you can manage how your site is accessed by others. It's worth noting that having control over your site's availability is crucial, allowing you to make it public or control who gets to view it through password protection. Once you're in the Site Availability section, look for the option labeled Password Protected and select it. By choosing this, you're opting to safeguard your site, ensuring that only individuals with the password can access its content. This is particularly useful if you're preparing content that's not yet ready for full public exposure, or if you have exclusive content for select customers or clients. Now you'll need to enter the password of your choice. Choose something secure but not too complicated for your intended audience to remember. Keep in mind that this password is the key that unlocks your site for your chosen visitors, so ensure it's something dependable and easy enough for people to type correctly. Once you've set your password, it's important to click on the Save button. This will ensure that the password protection feature is activated and that your site is secure. Saving your changes is a crucial step, as failing to do so would leave all your settings undone. After saving, click on Close to exit the settings. You've now successfully set up your site with password protection, but there's one final step: sharing your site. Return to the website page. Here you can find your website link. Copy this link to share it with anyone you want to access your site. Remember, you'll need to provide them with the password you set earlier. Sharing this combination of the website link and the password is essential to giving others the ability to explore your site while keeping your content secure. And there you have it. You've learned to protect and share your Squarespace site with selected audiences. This process not only helps maintain your site's security, but also gives you peace of mind as you manage who gets to see your content. Happy sharing!